Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get and download the PlayStation Plus Games of the Month from your iPhone using the PlayStation app. So if you don't have the PlayStation app, go on over to the App Store, go to the bottom right, go to Search, and type in PlayStation app. And get this application right here, and open it up and sign in with your email address and password. And then connect it to your PlayStation 5. If you're connected via the Wi-Fi, if you start searching for it, well, you're probably automatically just going to connect. Or you can go to Settings, and then scroll on down and go to Pair Console with App. And you can see my PlayStation 4 and 5 are connected under here. And then just select Console. Now let's go back. And we want to locate the PlayStation Plus games because I like adding those to my account because they're free games regardless. So on the bottom, we have the news, and then we have PlayStation Store. Select the PlayStation Store icon way on the bottom, and then go to the PlayStation Plus symbol. It's going to be a yellow cross on the top. Once we select that, it'll bring us to the PlayStation Plus area. Scroll on down, and here are the monthly games. So it looks like we have 4 games. We have Among Us, so just simply tap it, then go on down. And then you should be able to add it to your account. I already did that. That's why it says play on console or play using remote play. And I can't wait to play this game. And then we have NHL 24. Do the same thing here. And this is what I do. And then you can quickly download it to your console too. So maybe let's go to Borderlands 3. Did I already download this? Let's go ahead and just check. Yep, it says play on console. That means it's downloaded. And then we have the PS4 version of NHL 24. And you can select the version and download which one you want. PS5 or the PlayStation 4 version. So I got Borderlands 3 that I'm going to be playing later on, or I can try playing on my phone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.